Hi, this is Das from Das Tech. Today I will talk about the latest update released by Windows Microsoft, okay, Microsoft 11, Windows 11, okay. So this particular update, let me show how to update you first. So I'll go to the settings, then to the Windows update at the right hand corner, and see over here it is already showing that the 2025 March cumulative update preview for Windows 11 version 24H2 for 64-bit based system, which is KB knowledge base 5053656. This particular update has been released right yesterday, means on 27th of March, and on my Dell Inspiron 15 3000 series laptop I have received right today, as I have chosen this particular option, get the latest update as soon as they are available. So as soon as this was available on 27th of March. This has been available on my Dell Inspiron 15 3000 series laptop right today on 28th of March. Okay, so this particular update will be installed on this particular machine, which is having 8 GB RAM and 512 GB hard disk SSD. It will take almost 4 minutes as per Microsoft Windows system. Okay, so before restarting, let us talk about what is this particular update will contain. So this is the particular information of what is the content of this particular update, March 27 2025 KB5053656, and whose build number is 26100.3624 preview. Okay, so this particular version is having some improvements, not only security update, it is an improvement, and the improvements will contain some image search, which will include version AI components. These are the AI components which will contain some image search version 1.7.818.0. okay, content extraction is 1.7.818.0, and semantic analysis is the same version it should contain. Okay, so this particular Windows 11 servicing stack update, which would have say different build number and different version, different knowledge base over here, that particular thing was the Windows 11 servicing stack update. Whatever, in this particular update, what we will have, we have some, may have some issues, like that the Roblox players on ARM devices are unable to download and play Roblox from Microsoft Store on Windows. This is a known issue. And another one is the Citrix. Okay, so devices that are certain Citrix components installed might be unable to complete installation of the January 2025 Windows security update. So these are some known issues in this particular update. So whatever, we shall have the AI component update, like that the image search and version of 1.7.818.0, content extraction of the same version, and semantic analysis of the same version. So with this, now let us update this particular thing up after restart, and as the restart will take almost 4 minutes, so I'll put on my stopwatch right here to check what the exact time it will take. So it is the stopwatch, and I'll put the restart button over here to see what the exact time it takes. So let's start the restart process, and I have also started my stopwatch over here. So it is showing that almost 6% has done. almost 1 minute have been complete and only 30% done. Let us check or wait and see how much more times it would take. Whether is it stuck there at 30%? It is not progressing. Okay, it is restarting right now, and most probably the update is complete. Let me check what is going on there. And rebooting has been started. Okay, so it is still updating and it is now progressing to its completion. And it has taken almost 2 minutes 45 seconds, still not yet complete, though Microsoft has stated that it would take almost 4 minutes to complete. So let us wait and see exactly what time it would take to complete this process. Okay, so at 3 minutes 20 seconds it is complete. So I have stopped my stopwatch and it requires the pin to be entered after restart. Okay, so now let us check whether the version of that knowledge base has been installed successfully or not. So I have to go to the Windows update again, and over there I'll check on the update history and see over here. This is the 2025-3 cumulative update review. No, it was not that update. Okay, so yes, that is the update successfully installed on 28th March 2025, but that was not the particular one which we were over there. So let me check what the version was there. KB, this one. Okay, so March 27 version, KB 5053656. Most probably on the feature update. No, it is not in the feature update. On the quality, it is not also in the quality update. If it is in the definition update, no, it is not the definition update. And yes, Windows configuration update, not the same one, not in the other updates also. So whether this particular update was installed or not, I am not sure again, but on this screen it is showing that you are up to date. That means that particular version has been installed, and Windows is not showing where it is and what the update it was. It was most probably the feature update section, but it is not showing over there on the feature update. It is still not showing whatever. So as per Windows, there is no new update is available. That means that particular version has been installed successfully on my Dell Inspiron 15 3000 series laptop. Okay, so let me check up to its whether it shows any further updates are available or whether it was unsuccessful. But at the stage where update was installing, it showed that the update has been installed successfully, but still no update in the that particular knowledge base is not showing on the update history. And it is still taking some time to check whether is there any new update on my laptop or not. This is basically running on Windows 11 64-bit version, so it is still on and checking. I don't know how much more time it would take, so let us wait and see what the finally Windows let me know whether this update was successfully installed or not. So still checking. I don't know what is happening over here. Most probably there is some malfunction or something else has been happened. Okay, you are up to date, so no update is pending on this particular computer. Still once again I will check. So this is not the feature update, though it should be the feature update once. Most probably right now it is showing over here March 2025 March cumulative update preview for Windows 11 version 24H2 KB5053656. Yes, right now after some time it is showing, and this has been successfully installed right today on 28th of March 2025. So previously it was not showing over there, but now it is showing. Maybe some malfunction of Microsoft over here. So whatever, this particular update has been successfully installed on my Dell Inspiron 15 3000 series laptop. Okay, so that's it. Thank you guys, thank you very much, thank you for watching. And if you want to get regular videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, put the like button below. Thank you.